Here the IPDA is originating. Here it is bit clear picture, and so again analyzing the IPDA and the this first duodenal artery. It's important whether there is a common trunk. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the arterial anatomy involved in the Whipple procedure, specifically focusing on what we often overlook or fail to analyze thoroughly before surgery. So, in this series, we have already uploaded 3-4 videos like a quick overview about the incision and the cauterization, and I hope you have already watched them. If not, do watch them now before joining us here. And for a better learning experience, please download our app available for Android and iOS or join the channel membership. The link for everything is given in the description of this video. The Whipple procedure or the pancreaticoduodenectomy is a complex operation. Understanding the arterial anatomy is vital. So let's quickly revise the anatomy. So friends, as all of you are aware, that the celiac trunk arises from a direct branch from the aorta at the level of T12. There are three branches: common hepatic artery, splenic artery, and left gastric artery. So from the common hepatic artery arises the gastroduodenal artery, which divides into the anterior and posterior superior pancreaticoduodenal artery. From the splenic artery, we get dorsal pancreatic artery and the great pancreatic artery. And from the left gastric artery, sometime there will be a replaced or accessory left hepatic artery. So friends, it is important to understand as far as the main arterial anatomy of the pancreatic head is concerned. So basically there are two arterial arcade. One is coming from the superior, that is from the GDA, that will be superior pancreaticoduodenal arcade, and one will be inferior, that will be from the SMA, that will be inferior pancreaticoduodenal arcade, and basically the anastomoses, and it is a bridge between the celiac trunk and the SMA. So these are rich collaterals and the anastomoses with each other, and this is a very rich vascular supply. So in the first freeze frame here, in this fissure between the segment 2, 3 and 4, you can see a arterial structure. So first we are analyzing the arterial phase of the pancreatic protocol. So here is lateral segmental artery between the fissure, and it supplies the segment 2 and 3. The next thing that you have to analyze is this dorsal pancreatic artery. So it is originating from the SMA and moving towards the head area or the head of pancreas, and this will be encountered during the surgery while doing the uncinate first approach. So again you have to remember this anatomy is variable, and dorsal pancreatic artery here is arising from the SMA as a direct branch. So in this part, we are highlighting the posterior superior pancreaticoduodenal artery, PSPDA. So why we have highlighted here that it is the branch of the GDA, the gastroduodenal artery, as I said, the posterior branch. Anterior will be anterior superior pancreaticoduodenal artery, and sometimes this PSPDA will arise directly from the common hepatic artery. So in that case, you have to remember that after ligating the GDA, there will be another arterial structure originating from the pancreas going toward the originating from the hepatic artery and going towards the pancreas. So you have to ligate another arterial structure that will be PSPDA, which is not the case in this patient, but you have to remember this variation. So briefly, let's discuss the venous anatomy also. And so friends, here in this part you can see the GCT, the gastrocolic trunk. Remember, you will ligate. This will be the structure that you will ligate while after opening the lesser sac, and this will make a difference between the outcome. So this will be a complete guide, so stay tuned. And for a better learning experience, do download our app or join the channel membership for premium access or exclusive access to our content. And so thank you very much friends. I hope we were able to add some new insight to your knowledge. Do like the content, share this content with your friends, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for all the future updates. Thank you very much. Happy learning.